Jai Hind everybody. So today I am taking some more problems from the exercise 12.3 and this is question number 6. In a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter, a design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. In a circular table of cover of the radius 32 centimeter. This is the cover. This is the center O. And this radius is given. Radius of the circular table cover. This R is given 32 centimeter. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown in the figure. ये आपका डिजाइन बनाया गया है. This shaded region, okay, and this is an equilateral triangle. So first we have to find the sides of equilateral triangle. Okay. So for this I am joining this. Okay. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, therefore angle A will be 60 degree. Angle A will be 60 degree and angle BOC will be double of 60 degree because the angle made by an arc at the center is double of the angle subtended at the remaining part. So this angle will be 120 degree. Okay. Now consider this triangle BOC. Consider the triangle BOC. Just look here. This is point O, this is B and this is C. Construct this perpendicular. The radius of this is given how much? 32 centimeter. 32 centimeter. This angle is 90 and now this angle will be divided. So this is 120 degree. So this will be 60 degree. 60 degree. Now in triangle OMC, CM upon OC, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse is equal to sine 60. Therefore CM will be, just multiply them, OC into sine 60. OC, again this is the radius, this will be 32 into sine 60 and sine 60 is under root 3 upon 2 which is 16 under root 3. So what is the length of CM? 16 under root 3. Similarly, in triangle BMO. BMO. BM will also be 16 under root 3 and this is centimeter. Okay. In triangle BMO, this will be 16 under root 3. Now, this BC will be BM plus CM, that is 16 under root 3 plus 16 under root 3, that is 32 under root 3 centimeter. The side BC is 13 under root 3 centimeter. Therefore, side of equilateral triangle will be 32 under root 3 centimeter. 32 under root 3 centimeter. Now, area of the circle will be pi r square. Pi is 22 upon 7 into 32 square. 32 is the radius of the circle. So 22 upon 7 into 32 into 32. 32 into 32. Now just multiply them. This is 22 upon 7 into multiply this. 32 2s are 64. 32 2s are 96 and 6 1024. Just multiply them. 24 88 52 and this will be 21 2s upon 7 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. Area of the circle. Now, area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle. And area of the equilateral triangle ABC. This will be under root 3 upon 4 into side square. So that is under root 3 upon 4 and the side is this one 32 under root 3 whole square. So this will be under root 3 upon 4 into 32 under root 3 multiplied with 32 under root 3. Now just solve it. Under root 3 into 4 into 8, 4 8 ja. Now under root 3 is there, 32 is there and under root 3 is there. Now what will happen? Under root 3 into under root 3 into under root 3 into 8 into 32. These 2 under root 3 will become 3. So this will become 3 into 8 into 32 into under root 3. 3 8 is 24 into 32 under root 3. Just multiply them. 24 2s are 48 and under root 3 centimeter square. This is the area of the equilateral triangle. Now question is this, कि find the area of the design. Therefore area of the design, that will be the area of this circle, area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. But this is our design. What will the area of this design? Area of circle minus area of triangle ABC. Now do the calculation. Area of the circle. Area of the circle is this one. 22528 upon 7 minus 768 under root 3 centimeter square. Okay. After that you can solve it. Otherwise, just leave the answer here. So what is the area of the design? That is 22,528 upon 7 minus 768 under root 3 centimeter square. Now this is question number 7. In the figure ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. Side of the square, that is given 14 centimeter. With centers A, B, C and D, 4 circles are drawn such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. अब इनके जो कॉर्नर हैं वो स्क्वायर के ABCD, यहाँ से जो है सर्किल्स ड्रॉन किए गए हैं ऐसे कि एक सर्किल जो है तीनों सर्किल को क्या है इंटरनली टच करता है. क्या करता है? टच करता है. तो फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. दिस इज द शेडेड रीजन. नाउ टेल मी फर्स्ट एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर, that will be 14 square. This will be 196 centimeter square. Now first we will find this radius. So since this total side is 14 centimeter, therefore radius of each circle, so this will be, since this distance and this distance is given equal, so this will be the radius, this will be the radius. So what will be this radius? 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter. Radius of each circle R is 7 centimeter. Now these are the sectors formed 90 degree. Area of each sector formed, that will be, what is the sector angle here? 90 upon 360 into pi mentioned there? No. 22 upon 7 into 7 square. This will be 91 ja 90, 94 ja this, 22 upon 7 and 7 7 ja 49. So this will be 7. 154 upon 4. 154 upon 4. 7 7 ja 49. 154 upon 4 centimeter square. This is the area of each sector. So therefore, area of 4 sectors, this will be 4 into 154 upon 4. That will be 154 centimeter square. इन चारों जो सेक्टर हैं इनका एरिया मिलके कितना हो गया? 154 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. नाउ द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. area of the shaded region. This will be area of the square minus area of square minus area of 4 quadrants. Area of 4 quadrants. So what is the area of the square? That was 196 minus 154. That is 2, and 19 minus 15 is 4. So 42 centimeter square. So what is the area of the shaded region? 42 centimeter square. Now this is question number 8. The given figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. Okay, this is the figure. Its left end, this is semicircular, and this is the right end, semicircular. These two ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter. These two inner, this is given 60 meter. This is given 60 meter, and they are each 106 meter long, and this length 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, this is given 10 meter. This width of the track is given 10 meter. The question is this: find the distance around the track along its inner edge. The first one. Radius of the inner semicircular ends. At both the sides. This is given the hole is 60. Therefore, the radius will be 30 meter. The inner radius is 30 meter. Inner radius is 30 meter. Okay. Now, the distance around the track along its inner edge. Distance around the track along its inner edge. That will be this half circumference plus this half circumference. Any half circumference is half into 2 pi r plus this distance 106 plus again half this circumference and again this 106 meter. Just check it out. This 2 cancel, pi r plus this one, pi r plus this 106 plus 106 meter. This will be pi r plus pi r, 2 pi r plus 106, 106 is 212 meter. Now put the value of this small r, that is 30 meter, and pi is not mentioned here. So that will be 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 30 plus 212 meter. Just multiply them. 22 to 66, 1320. 1320 upon this 7 meter or plus 212 meter. Okay, now take the LCM. You will get 1320 upon 7 plus, just multiply this 7 here. 7 2 is 14 and upon 7. Add them. You will be get 4. This is 0, 14 and 13, 27. 28 upon 2804 upon 7 meter. 7 meter. So this is the distance around the track along its inner edge. Now radius of the outer semicircular end. This is the outer semicircular end from here to here. This is capital R, and this will be how much? This 30 plus 10. That is 40 meter. Now area of the outer semicircular end. ये जो outer semicircular end है, इसका एरिया कितना होगा? 1/2 into pi into capital R square. तो 1/2 into 22/7 capital R is 40 square. Divided 2 into 11, 11/7 into 40 square. 11 into 40 square is 1600/17. When you will multiply this, you will get 17,600/7 meter square. Similarly, area of inner semicircular ends, that will be 1/2 pi r square. This one 1/2 pi r square, and this will be 1/2 into 22/7 into 30 square. 30 square which is 900, or 2 into 11. 11/7 into 900. That is 9900/7 meter square. Okay. So this is this area. This whole area is how much? This one 17600/7 the whole area, and this area is 9900/7. So what will be the area of this one? This shaded region area. This will be the area of the track. Area of the track at one end. The area of the track between the semicircular ends, between the two semicircular ends, between the semicircular end. Okay, तो two semicircular ends के बीच में एरिया कितना होगा? This complete area minus 9900/7. This you will get 7700/7, which is 1100 meter square. So area of the track at both the semicircular ends, that will be 2 into 110, that is 2200 meter square. This area is 1100 meter square, and this area will also be 1100 meter square. This area is 1100 meter square, and this area is also 1100 meter square. Is it there? So what will be the total area of this region? That will be this 1100 meter square plus 1100 meter square. That will be 2200 meter square. Any area of the track at both the semicircular ends will be 2200 meter square. Now area of the inner rectangle. Area of the inner rectangle. This is the inner rectangle whose breadth is this 60 and the length is this one. How much? 106. So what will be the area of the inner rectangle? 106 into 60 meter square. Now area of the outer rectangle including inner rectangle, this whole, the outer rectangle, this includes the area of inner rectangle also. So that will be, the length is same 106 meter, and what about the breadth? This 60 plus 10 plus 10, that is 60, 70, 80. Area of the outer rectangle including inner rectangle will be 106 into 80 meter square. Now area between two rectangular regions of the track, this area will be area of the outer rectangle minus area of inner rectangle. So that is 106 into 80 minus 106 into 60. That will be 106 you can take outside. This is 80 minus 60. That is 20. So 106 into 20. When you will multiply this, 2 6 are 12 and 2120 meter square. So this area, this rectangular area is how much? 2120. And what was the area of this semicircular ends? This 1100 plus this 1100, which was 2200 meter square. So therefore total area of the track will be this 1100 plus 1100, that is 2200 plus this one. How much? 2120 meter square. So what will be the total area of the track? That will be 2200 meter square plus 2120 meter square. When you will add them, you will get 4320 meter square, meaning 4320 meter square. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.